This is Ruger's latest little pocket pistol. It's a .380, the Ruger LCPII Mark II. It is a little dinky thing. So even with the magazine on, you're talking about just a 2-finger grip there. There's just nothing going on. But it's a flyweight gun. It's a 6-shot. Like I said, there's just nothing going on there, although you can see how small it is. You've got just a flyweight gun that's very, very easy to conceal. So it's a little handy-dandy carjacker stopper. So let's see how it shoots. When you use something like this, the Barnes TAC XPD 80 grain and .380, there's not much recoil, and recoil is what you really don't want in these little flyweight palm slappers. The main feature that's important to me with the new Ruger is the trigger is vastly improved. Sure, there's initial take-up. It's got a style of trigger similar to the Glock safe action trigger. But once you hit the take-up, it is nice and crisp. So that's the big improvement. It's a very economical gun as well, and easy to conceal. Comes with a holster, only one magazine. Ruger would make a lot of people happy if they just included 2 magazines with their pistols. But with this brief outing, I mean, I can tell you that it's certainly completely reliable. And although the sights are minimal, there's nothing there to snag. We'll see if I can hit some paper shooting offhand. Well, let me zoom in a little bit. So there it is. No complaints for what it is. Economical, flyweight pistol with a good trigger. Apparently completely reliable and not a target pistol by any means. Strictly intimate self-defense type stuff. I don't find the recoil abusive with it. Like I said, it's not a target gun. This is a little holster that comes with it that'll fit into your pocket. I mean, there's just not much going on there. So pants pocket, it's not going to easily print, and I like it. Like I said, the main feature to me would be the vastly improved trigger. So a good job by Ruger, particularly at a very affordable, wallet-friendly price.